So we'll be starting a new vlog. I don't think this will be a weekly one. This might be today's vlog because today we have a lot. We're cooking. And cooking takes time over here. So we're starting the day with some hot peppermint tea and watching some creators venye hata mi natamani mkuwa mnani watch. Can you also run to my channel YouTube Caterina W, the same name you see here, Caterina W, and binge watch me the way I do to other creators because I also want to get there, you know. Okay, so I'll catch you up on what we are doing. So I've carried some stuff. Haya ni saa ya mapishi. Kwanza nakuosha nyama. Okay. So that it can be, what do you call this? Marinating. Yan, medyo spices. Wapi. Let's see. Unaosha nyama by the way. Hapo naribu utamu yake. Then when money comes and I build my own house, one thing, simply, if I go deep, so much money for haya, 2 minutes. Weka nini? Hii I'm hydrating. Nilikuwa nayo ni kwa diga nini? What is this? I think this is nichaje? Yeah. Ina masala. Kidogo tu. And this is black pepper. Kidogo tu pia. Kidogo tu. Pendaneni huko, pendaneni. If I had the rosemary, the stem, the plant itself, in the cocoa, the herbs, it's easy. Like the rosemary and whatever. That aside, done. Now see, the effect of my life, eh? You did shopping and then you've not been around for I don't know how long. Sundays is gonna do that thing. But as it just quite way. Ingine hata nitupa kabisa. See. We'll see what we can do with what we have. Acha nichonge hizi nchonge waru. Let me have that. Atena kwambia kama karibu kwa okay na kwambia kama nakwambia kama Lucy. Okay, fanya kazi. Let's do this. So I'm just from harvesting some vitungus from my garden, balcony garden, and watering the rest. Yeah. Sasa tunaanza kuingia kwa mapishi shortly. Now I have the option of deep frying them, but I'm choosing to oven bake, roast, cook, whatever. Why I don't have a parchment paper, I also don't know. Yeah, I also don't know, but I don't. Clearly, I don't have it. Tuzispread evenly. Nafuta tuispread ama tuzispread. Alafu acha tuseti. I know I have the option in pepper, spices and all, but I want the kiasi spices will be in the stew. Okay? Hii tuseti tu. I had bought a very big, very huge capsicum, but it has gone bad. And I bought yesterday. It's smelling, so I'm like, no. Let's just wash our dhania. Machungwa. I have 2 oranges. Let's get some juice. This is prepared here. Kuna carrot, tiny banana, tiny, what do we call it? Ginger. Yeah, tiny. Zenye zimebaki. I understand that you get taken from your man. You'll get taken from your man. Did I tell you I need rescue from my man? If I've not told you I need wrestling from my man, why are you telling me to understand that I will be taken from my man? Sijaambia maneno. Anyway, powder. Oh, and there's also some moringa powder. Okay. But sitoi kwanza. Yeah, wakati karage. Haya, tunaanza kupika. So the kitunguu from our balcony farm is ready. We have a huge bunch of dania, the grated carrots, grated mixture of ginger and garlic, and our tomatoes. Yep, is our meat. Wait, mbona nimeweka kitunguu na nafaa kukausha hii nyama? My goodness. Oh, lordy godi. Nimesahau. Itabidi tuiweke next. Uf. Added ginger paste. In went tomatoes and salt. Next will be carrots and the greens there. Kuma matumbo na spinach. Yeah. Kitu ya mwisho itakuwa dania. Makosa imefanyika tukaunguza. I was so busy doing dishes and maybe in my thoughts I forgot. Nimesikia harufu. So we've chotared some. We've salvaged the meat especially and transferred to these smaller pots. We've put everything else, the dania, the greens and the carrots. So yeah, let me show you the mess. Here is the mess, but guys, it's so sweet that I'm wishing I had ugali. Like for real, no cuts. This is so sweet. Like, opishi. I'm a great cook, guys. I'm a great cook. Actually, it's so sweet. I'm really feeling it. It's so sweet. Anyway, tungoje food ive sasa. Well, I wanted to finish everything. By the time I'm sitting to eat, the dishes are clean. Nikutulia. Well, but we're done cooking and we're done here as well. Well, kuchoka tu, my back is wet. Oh, look at your side. All right. Let me serve food. Whew. I've decided to heat up our roast for a minute. So I put in this carrot because potatoes are finished in the house. And also, I don't have bread, so I put this today with the kungua. I guess it's good. Now throw this away. So I've decided to heat up the waru, our potatoes, as I serve this. And I'm going to the bedroom. I've decided to enjoy this in the bedroom. Our avocado. I bet they're ready. Yay! Oh, it's so warm in here. But I'm not removing them from them. I'm just picking some. Oh. Oops. I think this will do. I've already eaten one off camera and it tastes amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah, that's a lot. Now let's go eat. So we're going to sit here eating as we binge watch or just watch a movie and relax. My back is on fire, that's why I've come to the bedroom. I've carried this to the bedroom. See you on the next one.